This is the Daily Superfoliant, and I'll show you what it looks like. Let's see if I can pour some on my hand here. So it's basically like this dark gray looking, almost like sand is kind of what it looks like. But what you do is you mix it with water and then you kind of do circular motions on your face. And it's gonna give you the smoothest skin ever. So what I will do is pour some more into my hand to create that little paste that we're gonna have. So I have some in my hand here, and then I'm gonna wet my hand like it suggested. And then we are going to massage it into our face. And it smells really, really good. And if you feel like you didn't get enough, you can always add more as well. So you can get your hand wet again, add a little water to it, kind of makes it like a paste, rub it together, and then use it. So if you want like a real extreme exfoliation, the less water, the better. If you want it to be a light exfoliation, add a little more water. It stays on for about a minute. So I use this one every day. I actually keep it in the shower, and then I use it in the shower. And I love it. I really think it's a great exfoliator. Makes your skin so soft, gets all that pollution that may have entered into your skin away. And it's by Dermalogica. They're really known for their high quality products. Okay, my skin already feels so smooth and amazing. So definitely check out this product. This is the Daily Superfoliant. It's one of their best sellers in the line, and I think you're gonna love it too.